If you're looking for ways to optimize Salesflare for your sales team, you're in the right place. This quick guide will show you exactly how to make the most out of Salesflare's powerful CRM features to streamline your sales process and improve your team's productivity. First, let's get into the basics. Salesflare is a CRM designed specifically for small and medium-sized businesses. It helps sales teams manage customer relationships more effectively by automating tedious tasks and providing insightful analytics. If you've never used Salesflare before, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to leverage this tool to optimize your sales team's workflow. Now, when it comes to optimizing Salesflare for your sales team, the first step is customizing your pipeline. You can create multiple sales pipelines, and each can represent a different sales process for various products or services you offer. This customization allows you to tailor the CRM to your exact needs, so your team won't be bogged down by irrelevant information. Next, let's talk about automation. One of Salesflare's most powerful features is automation. Salesflare automatically captures data from emails, calendar events, and social profiles. This means your sales team doesn't have to manually input data, saving them time and ensuring everything is tracked accurately. Automating the capture of important customer interactions like emails and meetings means that your team doesn't miss any follow-ups and can act quickly on opportunities. For sales teams, tracking activities and managing follow-ups is essential. Salesflare offers activity tracking that integrates with your email, calendar, and social media accounts, so you can see exactly where every deal stands without the hassle of switching between platforms. This helps you maintain an organized pipeline with little effort, and your sales reps can focus on what matters: closing deals. Another key feature to optimize is Salesflare's Intelligent Insights. This CRM analyzes all the information it collects and provides recommendations on the best next steps. Salesflare can even notify your sales team when it's time to follow up with a lead or check in on an existing customer. This intelligent guidance ensures that no opportunities slip through the cracks. Additionally, if you're looking to scale, Salesflare integrates with a wide range of apps and tools. Whether you use Zapier, Slack, or any number of email marketing platforms, Salesflare can sync with your existing tools to create a seamless workflow across all areas of your sales operation. For your sales team to fully benefit, you'll also want to leverage Salesflare's reporting and analytics. You can generate detailed reports on every aspect of your sales pipeline, helping you identify trends, gaps, and areas of improvement. Understanding what works and what doesn't is crucial for making data-driven decisions and optimizing performance. Finally, remember to take advantage of Salesflare's mobile app. Your sales team can access real-time information and update details while on the go. This means they can capture leads, respond to opportunities, and update the CRM anywhere, keeping the sales process flowing smoothly even when they're out of the office. If you want to get started with Salesflare, you can use it completely free from the first link below, where we also offer exclusive bonuses. And if you stick around, I'll share how you can unlock an extended free trial that's not available anywhere else. By implementing these tips, your sales team will be able to use Salesflare more effectively, saving time and improving their performance. Optimize your workflows, automate data entry, track activities, and use intelligent insights to boost your sales team's productivity. Don't forget, the exclusive free trial is available through the link below, so check it out and get started today.